Make new figures. It's time for a figure magic show. I'll start with two squares. I'll say the magical words, put together, and look what happens. The two squares turned into a rectangle. But you don't have to be a magician to perform this trick.
You can put figures together and take them apart to make new figures.
Let's take a closer look. There are two squares. If we put the two squares together, look what happens. We make a new figure. Now, instead of two squares, we have one rectangle. So, put together two squares to make a rectangle. I have another trick to show you. Watch this hexagon very closely. I'll say the magic words, take apart, and look what happens. The hexagon turned into two trapezoids. Now let's try it. We can move the top half of the hexagon away from the bottom half of the hexagon. Look what happens. We made two trapezoids. Making new figures is fun.